Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use your smartphone as a remote control for a Panasonic TV. To do that, we're going to need to install an application called Google Home. We're going to need to install it on our smartphone. So if you already have it on your smartphone, that's great. But generally, I'm going to show you this operation step by step. So starting with our TV, we're going to have to check which Wi-Fi it is connected to and whether or not our smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network, because they're going to need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network in order for this to work. So first of all, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of your TV screen, then select Network and Internet and check the Wi-Fi network your TV is connected to, and make sure that you connect your smartphone to the same Wi-Fi network. Then on your smartphone, open either the Google Play Store or the App Store, depending on the operational system that you're using, so either an Android or iOS, and then search for apps and games and search for the Google Home application. Let's find it. Here it is. Now let's install it. Wait until this application is installed on your smartphone, then open it and give it all the permissions. So tap Get Started. Next, okay, notifications are actually not required, so we can skip this step, don't allow. Select your Google account, okay, then select your home or create a new one, then click OK, turn your Bluetooth on, give it the location access while using the app, tap OK. Your iPhone may ask for a couple more permissions for this to work. And now tap the plus icon in the top right corner of your screen to add your TV to the device list. So tap the plus icon, then select device, then select search for device, then select your home and tap next. And now wait for your smartphone to find your TV. Keep it as close to your TV as possible at the moment, and in case it doesn't find the TV right away, that means that your TV is stored in the local devices, and to access them, tap these four rectangles icon, which will lead you to all devices, and then look at the very bottom of this menu. You will find your TV in the local devices. So tap on it, then select Add to a room, and then select a room in your house, for example the living room, then tap next. Then you're gonna have to set up your TV with a couple of further steps. Click confirm. And once your settings are applied, select the language that you want to use with this TV. So for example, English, United Kingdom, next. Next, then default music service, select it, then select next. Then if you want to link to video service, you can do this, or you can skip this step by tapping not now. Then select sign up. Then continue. Continue once again. Then let's skip the tutorial. And now we have our device in the living room. Now if you select it, you'll have open remote option right here. Enter the pin code that you see on your TV screen. And tap pair. Okay, and now you can start using your smartphone as a remote control using Google Home application. As you can see here, we have return button, home button, we have voice assistant button, we have sound volume lowering and some sound volume increasing buttons. We have mute button and the power button in the top right corner of the screen. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.